only been on my shelf for a couple of days, and if you asked me how many probiotics were in this sauerkraut right now, I would tell you absolutely none. The probiotics only start on stage 1, which is the gaseous stage, and as you can tell, there are absolutely no bubbles. There's no foaming at the top of my sauerkraut brine right now. In a couple of days, possibly tomorrow, you might actually see some bubbles start, and that would be the beginning of the gaseous stage, which is only stage 1 of 3. So you want to go ahead and let your ferment go through the gaseous stage where you see the bubbles go up, where you see the bubbles die down, and then you want to leave it until stage 2, which, as you can see, this is in stage 2 right now, this curdito, and there are no bubbles to be seen. It's been through the gaseous stage, it has heaved, it has gone down, and this is probably ready to eat. This has been 3, almost 4 weeks, and I could probably go ahead and open these jars right now. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave them a little bit longer. I want to get as many probiotics as possible out of my ferments. So I would say if you're interested in probiotics, you don't want to take supplemental probiotics, go ahead and leave your ferments at least 4 weeks to make sure you have as many probiotics as possible in your ferment.